topic of this paper is how many children have to live in poverty before the Fair Work Commission takes decisive action to support working families. This presentation on an aspect of child poverty is a contribution to Anti-Poverty Week, which will be followed by Children's Week. Already this week we've seen two major presentations on the extent of poverty and child poverty in particular. This important research confirms the substance of what we have known for years. Public commentary and empirical research in regard to poverty focuses on children in poverty, but despite a broad concern across the community, little, if any, progress has been made in recent decades to alleviate the scourge of childhood poverty. It is as if the more we talk about child poverty, the less politicians and policy makers take notice. There is plenty of blame to share around. Part of it rightly lands with the Fair Work Commission and its predecessor national wage setting tribunals, the Australian Industrial Relations Commission and the Australian Fair Pay Commission. The title of this seminar comes from a question put in May 2017 to the Commission's annual wage review, when Father Frank Brennan and I appeared in support of submissions made by the Australian Catholic Council for Employment Relations, ACCER. We referred to four matters. First, evidence that many children were living in poverty in wage-dependent families, even when there is a full-time worker in the family. Second, the fact that low wages are a major reason for that poverty. Third, the fact that wage increases targeted at the lowest paid workers will improve the lives of these children. And fourth, the fact that no such targeted action had been taken by the Commission in the past 6 decisions to address that state of affairs.